I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Today, I will talk about something that's rarely addressed but incredibly important: relationships, trust, and most importantly, health. Believe it or not, there are Filipinas out there who have been in multiple relationships but have never once gone through a proper medical exam. That reality raises big questions. Why does this happen? What risks are involved? What does it mean for the foreigners and locals who get involved with them? I will cite the possibilities. Number one, the cultural silence around medical exams. In many Filipino communities, medical checkups are not normalized, especially when it comes to sexual health. It's not common for young Filipinas to say, "I'm going to the clinic for an STD test." Instead, there's silence, denial, and sometimes even shame. The idea of getting tested may feel like admitting guilt or wrongdoing. That silence becomes a rest, especially when relationships change frequently. Number two, the financial reality. Most government health centers in the Philippines are underfunded. Private hospitals or labs charge fees that many young women cannot afford. For a Filipina earning a small salary, the choice between food for her family and a medical exam is an easy one. Health checks are posed aside, so a girl can go from one boyfriend to another, never once being medically screened. Number three, the impact of multiple relationships. Here's where it gets sticky. When someone has a history of relationships but never undergoes exams, there's a higher chance that infections can pass unnoticed, sometimes even for years. Some illnesses show no symptoms at all, yet they continue to spread. For a foreigner coming in, assuming that his new girlfriend is perfectly healthy just because she looks fine, can be a dangerous mistake. Number 4. Why some Filipina avoid exams? It's not always about money. Sometimes it's about fear. Fear of what they might find, fear of being judged, fear of a boyfriend finding out. For some, denial feels safer than the truth. That mentality, "if I don't know, it won't hurt me," is one of the most dangerous attitudes in relationships. Number 5. The double standard. Foreign men often assume responsibility, sometimes even getting tested before traveling to the Philippines. But many of them don't ask the same from the woman they date. Why? Because it feels awkward. Because they don't want to offend. Because love or lust clouds their judgment. Yet, ignoring health checks is a mistake that can cost far more than hard feelings. So, what's the answer? Normalizing health checkups and relationships. Foreigners should not feel embarrassed to ask for a medical exam before intimacy. Women should be educated and encouraged to view exams as a sign of self respect, not shame. And finally, love should not mean turning a blind eye to reality. Health is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Some Filipina may have never had a medical exam despite a history of relationships, but that's not just their burden. It's a shared responsibility between partners. If you want real love, if you want trust, and if you want a future together, you have to put health first. Otherwise, you're gambling with more than just your heart. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.